Konza-Isinya residents are protesting arms after 3 bridges were washed away by floods, locking the villages and causing them untold suffering for the past 1 month. Now, the irate residents of Ontoroto, Inkigiri and Olepolos villages did cut logs of trees and blocked the Konza-Isinya road near Isinya town. Operations at a flower farm were paralyzed after casuals from 5 different farms joined in the protests, blocking roads leading to the farm. Well, the residents claim that the relevant authorities have neglected them despite their continuous pleas for repairs. They have vowed to continue blocking the road until their grievances are heard.
Sai kuna mabarabara hapa itapitika kwa sababu mvua ikinyesha watu wanapitisha tingatinga. Magari ndogo hata mgonjwa huwezi toa nyumbani kupeleka hospitali.